So are you actually out of words? Like you're actually promoting something on Twitter, or you're actually promoting something on Facebook or Instagram, and you're actually out of words on what you're actually going to say today on short and is actually affiliate marketing stuff. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start being very creative. You get with this thing that I'm going to be showing you, you can actually produce a lot of words, a lot of content on your social media where you actually promote things. But I'm going to be showing you only things that are actually based on Twitter. You get what I'm saying? So imagine you're actually like promoting what's it called? This this um this weight loss product. This is actually markethealth.com. Yeah, it's actually an affiliate marketing website. You can actually go and sign up if you want to sign up. But this is actually a very good idea if you're actually out of words and you don't know what to actually type again and you're doing affiliate marketing. You get what I'm saying? So this is actually like this is the stuff we're actually talking about weight loss. So you can actually just jump into this AI, which is actually called ChatGPT. It's been raining for like probably 5 months now or something from the beginning of this year. It has been raining. You get what I'm saying? So now I'm trying to show you ideas on how you can actually optimize and use this ChatGPT very well. You get what I'm saying? So now we can actually tell him to actually tell you things you want to say on what's it called, on Twitter. You can say, okay, what are the benefits of weight loss? You can actually tell you that this is the benefit of weight loss. Then you post it on Twitter and be like, okay, let me search for things that I can actually ask ChatGPT on weight loss that can actually triggers people. So I'll be like, let me tell him to advertise. You can actually tell him and say advertise a weight loss um a weight loss product in a in a let's say professional manner, or we can actually tell him in a in a way that it's actually going to be very convincing, again, very attractive to the customer in a way. So I would tell him to write it off. So let's say write a write a short next advertising. So it would be like advertising weight loss products. So you actually can write it like that. I know I actually made a mistake somewhere, but yeah, introducing the upcoming weight loss solution is actually going to transform and boost your confidence. Like, okay, so this is actually how it's actually single by email. So this is basically what you can actually like use to actually create more content every day. Just ask him to do something for you, and he's actually going to do it. You can actually use ChatGPT in a lot of ways, and I'll be creating videos on how you can actually use them. You can click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell in case I drop any new video on there. You get what I'm saying? And you can check my channel also for if you have actually missed out on my previous videos on how you can actually optimize this ChatGPT so that you can actually monetize it to do things that you should be doing. You get what I'm saying? So instead of you being thinking too much, racking your brain on what to post on Twitter, what to post on Facebook, what to actually post on in the internet to promote your affiliate product, you get what I'm saying? So you can actually like ask this AI of thing and just copy this shit out. You should read it, yeah. Read it, make sure it's actually to your taste. Then you say you want to write things, so I want to tweet, so I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to be like, yeah, Apple be right there. So it's actually going to be showing this, so you can actually like add things up, be like this, then cut them off, yeah, then add this, then you paste it right there. So it's actually going to be showing some also. So you'd be like, what can we do to this? I don't actually know that, but you can actually check that up and actually shorten that part off. Yeah. So I'm going to cut this off as usual and add this, then paste it there. So it's actually done with that, right? Then click on this. You can actually short things up, delete some things in case they are not actually needed. No, sorry. In case they are not actually needed. So I'm going to cut this off, then add it below. You get what I'm saying? So that's how you can actually do that. This I can actually like delete it if it is actually not useful. Yeah, so you can actually just do all this. You actually do all this, then start promoting your products every day without you thinking about what am I going to be posting every day. You get what I'm saying? So that's how you actually monetize ChatGPT, producing your content easily every day with ChatGPT. You get what I'm saying? So that's it. If you haven't subscribed and you like this video, also click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. To get notified when I drop this video. It's actually free. If you don't want to miss out, just click on the subscribe button and notification bell. So you just get this notification that yeah, I've dropped a new video. If I drop them, you get what I'm saying. So thank you.